Hello, I'm Ron, and welcome to Finding Fulfillment, where we chart our adventure across all 48 contiguous states, letting you know where we are, sharing a few of our experiences and some of the lessons we've learned along the way. So I reset the counter. This is day one. Well, this is day two. We woke up in a Walmart parking lot, of all places, and I used to think that was a weird thing, watching YouTube videos, but it's a fairly easy place to stop and get some rest when you're on the road. One of the things that we're learning as we're going is that we have to find out where our routines are. Since moving into the van, we have different habits than I'm used to. So Mari does makeup in different places, and where are we most comfortable eating? Where are we most comfortable working on projects? Where are we most comfortable writing? So we're finding out where those habits are and trying to build routines around them to keep the van clean, to find a workable living arrangement. So that's kind of one of the more difficult things that we're going through right now, is finding out a place for all of our routines to make life work. We are in Buckeye, Arizona, on our way to the Colorado River to do some gold panning. So we stumbled upon a sand dunes as far as the eye can, well, not as far as the eye can see. There's green over there. But...
Hey, look, I'm pale.
There's a bunch of sands here. We can camp out here. You can camp in the white line, it's silly. City limit, looking for the world's biggest flagpole, because we're ridiculous. Heading back to the van because I had to park over there. We're at City Hall in Calipatria, and we are across the street from, apparently, the world's tallest flagpole. All right. Home of the world's tallest flagpole, top at sea level. The top of the flagpole is at sea level. We are 184 feet below sea level right now. Calipatria, California. It is pretty darn tall. See the flag? Right there? That's the flag. We're gonna go farther out. We're 184 feet below sea level. Mm-hmm. The top of the flagpole is at sea level. So it's 184 feet tall, which means it's an 18-story building of the flagpole. Hi.
Look at this
though. Cardinal directions.
Sea level.
I just noticed, look at the shadow of this thing. The shadow of this thing goes across the street, through a car, and above a fire station. It's so huge. Okay, I'm standing in the shade so I can take a picture of this flagpole. So normally flagpoles are about the size of a building and a half. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 stories. That's a huge flagpole. That is just way too. Why do you ever need to stick something that far into the sky? Well, I mean, skyscrapers. Why do you need to stick a flag that high in the sky?